Hello dear students, welcome to Geography class, chapter number 1, the Earth in the Solar System. So it's for class 6, part 4. See students, so we are learning in this chapter some learning objectives, some concepts are there here to learn about our universe and galaxy. To learn about our universe and galaxy. And next concept, to learn about our solar system. So next concept, to understand why Earth is a unique planet. To understand why Earth is a unique planet. And also we are learning to learn about the moon and its phases. These all concepts today we are learning chapter number 1, the Earth in the solar system. See a student, the word solar. So, it is a Latin word is here sol. The word solar, in this solar word the Latin word is there that sol. Okay. See here, sol means what that? It is actually ancient Rome. Ancient Rome. Okay. See here student, so before I am explaining here, okay. So now let us start introduction about this chapter. So first I am explaining here universe. Universe. Universe means you know that in Kannada word Vishwa. In this universe is present of so many dust particles. It has the dust particles. It's a large expanse of atomic dust and gases present in the universe. In universe, the universe is approximately 93 billion light years. 93 billion light years in a diameter. Light years in a diameter. And after the Big Bang, see here, so it's a Big Bang means some astronomers explained about the universe, how universe began. The universe is began 14 billion years ago. 14 billion years ago. Okay, see a student. The universe is began when that 14 billion years ago. Actually the universe is approximately 93 billion light years diameter, and after the Big Bang means here astronomers explain about the universe, how the universe began. So the universe began 14 billion years ago that, okay, and it contains, when it begins that universe, in universe has the contain million of galaxies. Million of galaxies. Okay. So millions of galaxies present in the universe. What is meant by galaxy? Galaxy means a group of stars. Galaxy means what, student, here? A group of stars here associated in the universe. And our solar system, it's a member of, solar system is a member of galaxy. It's a member of galaxy called that Milky Way. Milky Way or Akash Ganga. Akash Ganga. So this is the group of stars is known as galaxy. So our solar system is a member. Our solar system is a member of galaxies called that Milky Way or Akash Ganga. Okay, student, see here. So this Milky Way means this universe is appears some gas and dust particles. And also we have, you can see night sky stars. You can also see on the night sky stars. Stars also appears on the universe. Star, you know that star. So these stars means stars are huge. These stars are, so many stars are you can see on the night sky. And these are the hot bodies of gaseous. These have the hot bodies of the gaseous bodies, hot bodies. They have their own heat and light. Stars have their own heat and light. And these are looking like tiny dots. How it's looking that on the sky? Tiny dots. So this like dots you can see on the sky. Okay. So these stars are huge body hot gases, and they have their own heat and light. Their own heat and light, and also they have, means how they looking, tiny dots, like a tiny dots, but they are very huge. Okay. See a student, sun is also one star here. Sun is also one star. And see a student, when we are seeing on the stars some mythological figure, some stars have the groups, some like that, some diagrams, some like shapes occurred in the stars that, okay. So these stars are called constellation. These stars are called constellation. Some group of stars occurred in the sky, means appear in the sky. So these like stars called the constellation. See student, some constellation is there here. One constellation is there on the sky. Some group of stars occurred like this shape. See here. See here. This like, okay. So like, see here. So night sky, you can see this shape. It is a big deeper constellation. It's called this big deeper constellation. Deeper means what student? Tail. It's a tail. Okay. So this, how many stars are there here? So you count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these 7 stars called in the Hindu system called that Saptarishi. Saptarishi means what? 7 stars. So, in Hindu society, in Hindu astronomy called that Saptarishi. So, this type of stars called the Saptarshi. Okay, means 7 sages. It's mean what? 7 sages. And in another place calling that in Mongolia. In Mongolia, so these big deepers called that, constellation is called this 7 gods. 7 gods. And also in another place that UK and Ireland. UK and Ireland. So, in these places called that Plo. In these places called that Plo. Okay. And Romania and Germany. Romania and Germany. Call this Wagon. Wagon. Okay. And this so many names have these constellations. Means this constellation. This constellation is a big deeper constellation. Means it's a combination of 7 stars here. So in Hindu astronomy called that Saptarshi. Saptarishi means 7 sages. And Mongolia, it means that 7 gods. So this called this 7 gods. UK and Ireland is called this Plo. And Romania and Germany, it's called this Wagon. So okay student, so here completed your parts 4. I hope today's class you understood, but what you have learnt in today's class. So you have learnt about universe. Okay, in universe it's approximately 93 billion light years diameter, and in the Big Bang, it's a Big Bang means what? The astronomers explain about the universe, the when began the universe. It began that 14 billion years ago the universe was began that. When in that time it began, first we can see the some atomic particles, atomic dust, gaseous it present on the universe. So also in the it contains millions of galaxies appear on the universe. See here, our solar system is the member of the galaxies, is called that Akash Ganga or Milky Way. Akash Ganga or Milky Way. Some these galaxies appear on the band of a gas, and also you can see on the night sky stars. Stars are huge hot bodies. They have their own heat and light. It appears on the sky different shades that, so called that mythological figure. It's calling that mythological figure. Mythological figure means the group of stars. Its shapes are changed, all that. It's the called that constellation. So dipping constellation. Dipping constellation means what? Some group of stars, they have the tail. Dipping means what? Tail. See here, it's a combination of 7 stars. See here, 7 stars are there. It is the dipping of constellation. So these 7 stars called in Hindu astronomy Saptarishi. Saptarishi means what? 7 sages. And Mongolia, it's called that 7 gods. And UK and Ireland called that Plo. And Romania and Germany, it's called that Wagon. Okay student, till here completed your today's part 4. Okay, and you do it work, you make the points in geography part. Okay, after completing your difficult words, you should be write some points, and when completing your points, you send it my WhatsApp number. Okay, and next session I am continuing in next period. Thank you.